So after launching the Arketa app, our revenue increased 138% in 1 year. Revenue per client went up 21% and booking per client went up 17%. Hi, my name is Alli. I am the owner of Inflow. We are in Inflow's flagship location in Fishtown, Philadelphia. We have Pilates, mat Pilates, we have Sculpt, we have yoga, we have wonderful workshops, and more. I own 3 studios now, which is crazy. It started with the one we're in, which is the OG space. Certainly having all of the information in Arketa helped me open the other 2, specifically because I'm able to look at trends. The reports tab, which outlines all of the different things that you would need to know as a business owner, from net revenue to gross revenue, I can go in and pull specific reports I'm looking for. When we were deciding to open the 3rd one and we pulled all the reports and we're sitting at the table looking at it, I'm like, hey, this worked 2 other times, it's gonna work this time. From the beginning, the team at Arketa always, I think, saw something in what I was doing and wanted to support me. And so when it was time to open the studio, I hopped on a call and they were like, here's exactly how we're gonna do it. The team at Arketa knows how important relationships with students are. And because of that, they make all of these features that allow me to enhance my relationships with students. I know when someone is a first timer, I know how many classes they've taken, I know their origin story of Inflow. Arketa's helped us build community in so many ways. There's actually a community tab on Arketa that I have never seen anywhere else. It's helped the students get a lot closer and be able to go to things outside of the studio together, which I think is so important for community. I love the marketing suite from Arketa for a few reasons. Our newsletters are beautiful. I used to use another platform, and then when the marketing suite came on, I was like, I am switching, because now it's all in one place. Specifically, the texting feature comes to my phone and I can respond like a text, but there's a wall between us that wouldn't be there before, and we can get things done really quick. So even with the app, people think that I just designed the app myself because it's like all the Inflow colors and it works so well. And yeah, I love that Arketa wants it to be about the studio, right? You can feel that when you're using the products. I think the team at Arketa knows the challenges already. They've experienced them. They've either owned studios, worked at the front desk, been a teacher. They have a real lived experience of what I'm probably going through. More than anything, you're getting a warm, familiar face when there's things that come up where you need support and encouragement. They understand what you're going through and they want to help you, and they will.